Hi there, and welcome to the July 2021 product update for iplicit. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to check your version, where to find the release notes, and we're going to take a brief look at some of the new features and enhancements. To find out what version you're on, head over to the Pulse and the version number will be displayed at the bottom of your screen. To find this month's release notes, as well as the prior month's release notes, head over to the iplicit Support Centre. So now let's take a look at some of the highlights for the July 2021 release. The first item that we're going to take a look at today is the introduction of price bands, which enable us to predefine prices for particular customers or suppliers with date ranges. We also have the new feature of adding user access for add only on projects and bank details. And lastly, we'll take a look at the enhancements made to the expenses, which now enable us to amend the lines and change the currency for line items only. So first we're going to take a look at the introduction to price bands. You can see here that we have a price band created which includes an item. We can define the customers and suppliers here, as well as give it an effective from date, giving us the ability to change prices for the future in readiness for any future price updates. We can also go to the customers or supplier records and dictate on their settings which price band is applicable to them. Now we're going to take a look at the improvements to user roles. When setting roles up for a particular user, we now have a new type called Add Only, which gives us the ability to give the user access to only add projects or contact bank details without them needing full access to those areas of the system. And finally, we're going to take a look at the improvements made to expenses. You can see here that when I now create an expense claim in my default currency, I can amend a particular line to change the currency. The system will then work out the base currency amount ready for the payment to be made in my default currency. I can create multiple lines with different currencies for each line. So, to recap on what we've seen the introduction to price bands and how this can help default prices for particular customers and suppliers. We've seen the new user roles for add-only access that gives us the ability to only enable users to add projects or bank details. And we've also seen the new feature which enables us to enter expense lines in different currencies. Thank you for watching the product update for July 2021. If you would like to know more, please do not hesitate to contact our support team with any questions or queries. We do offer online bite-sized training courses for any users who would like to learn more about the system, including the features we've seen today. Our email address is support@iplicit.com. Thank you for watching.